Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Moto G87 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. So just localize this gear icon and tap on it. Then let's scroll down and localize another gear icon which is connected with the system, so just tap. Then tap on language and region at the top. And again the first option, system languages. Now let's tap on add a language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which you can choose. So all you need to do is to find your language and tap on it to apply it. So let me pick this one. You can also choose the region, so just tap on it. And as you can see, our new language has been immediately applied to the list, but the English is still a main one. So all we need to do is to tap on the new language and hold it, and then drag it to the first position. Now let's tap on change, so on the right option, and from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. We can change it again, tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to the first position and tap on modify or change basically. So if you would like to remove the languages from this list, just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Mark the language and tap on the trash bin icon. Tap on remove. And here we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.